So I want to do a quick little review on this Meguiar's Quik racks. This is the ultimate Quik racks. It's hydroponic polymer technology, pretty basic. You could use it wet or dry. I used it dry. I got this old Crown Victoria police Interceptor the other day, and I just gave it a basic wash, and it had really no protection. So I just really wanted something quick to grab, just to get it some protection for now. And this is what I grabbed. So I used it dry. So basically you spray it on little areas at a time, and you wipe it with a microfiber cloth, and it leaves behind a wax which perfectly is beating up the recent rainfall we had. And the results of the Quik racks is almost like I gave it a really quality wax job with buffing it on, then buffing it off. So this was pretty good quality one, and it did more than what I expected. The water's beating off very nice on all areas that I hit it with, and it'll protect the paint. This way, when I get into detailing the car further with a buffing wheel and clay bar in it, it's ready to go. On the trunk lid, you can see how the water is like moving off. So it gave a really good wax for such a 10-minute job going around the car, spraying on, wiping off. Quik racks lives up to its name by Meguiar's.